In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the time zone for a specific calendar in Google Calendar. This is a useful feature if you're managing events in multiple time zones or collaborating with teams or clients across different regions. By customizing the time zone settings for each calendar, you can ensure that all of your events display at the correct local times wherever you are. To get started, open your web browser and head to Google Calendar. Once you have your Google Calendar open, look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from here you will need to select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options available to customize your Google Calendar experience. Now in the Settings page, you may notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to find the section labeled Time Zone. Click on this to bring up the relevant options. This section is crucial as it allows you to specify and modify the time zones for each of your calendars individually. It's particularly useful for people who travel frequently or those managing calendars for teams in different geographical locations. Once you get to the time zone settings, look for the option labeled Primary Time Zone. It's important to adjust this setting carefully as it affects how your calendar displays your events. Click on the Current Time Zone setting, which will open a drop-down menu that lets you search for and select your desired time zone. Google Calendar provides a comprehensive list of time zones from around the world, making it convenient to find the one you need. After selecting your preferred time zone, the changes are applied automatically, ensuring that all events and reminders in that particular calendar will be displayed in the correct local time. This simple adjustment helps to avoid any potential scheduling conflicts that may arise from time misalignments. And that's how you set the time zone for a specific calendar in Google Calendar. It might seem like a small detail, but getting this setting right can have a big impact on how effectively you manage your schedule and communicate with others. Try it out the next time you plan an event or meeting, and you'll see how it can make your scheduling task that much smoother. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for managing your digital life efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!